In this video, let's take a look at neural network. Neural networks is a much awaited topic, and this forms a precursor for deep learning. It's a highly complex topic, and we have tried to simplify it as much as possible. Now, to think of neural network, we can imagine it as a framework. It is modeled loosely after the human brain, more precisely the neurons and the connections between themselves. The fundamental goal of a neural network is to recognize patterns and to be able to cluster and classify the input data. The neural network takes different kinds of inputs. You can feed it structured data like text. You can also feed it unstructured data like images, sound, videos, and so on. So, classification is much like what we saw in machine learning. It creates an environment for supervised learning. So, you feed a set of labeled data to the network, it understands which label corresponds to which data. So, now you can feed a new set of input and it's able to label the data for you. Clustering creates an environment for unsupervised learning. So, you have unlabeled data which you feed it to the network. It's able to understand the characteristics of the data and able to group them into categories. Now, given a new set of data, it can group the data into these categories. Neural networks can also be used to extract features which can be fed to other machine learning algorithms under clustering and classification. At the fundamental level of neural networks lies the perceptron. This is a simple algorithm which performs binary classification. It basically predicts the input to be either in one category or the other. For example, fraud, not fraud, cat, dog, and so on. In the next lecture, let's take a look at what is the perceptron and how it performs the binary classification.